How's it going, everybody, and welcome back to Lead Therapy, and thank you so very much for taking time for tuning into my video. And before I get on with the video, if you enjoyed the video or if I give you some information you didn't know, please always like, share, and subscribe and hit those post notifications. It's greatly appreciated and it definitely helps the channel grow. Also, by chance, if you're wanting to watch another video of mine, I always leave a link to 2 videos at the end of each video. And if you haven't watched the video that I made yesterday about the ex-Special Forces sniper being shot by his friend and co-worker who was the owner of the gun shop that they worked at, and the owner that fired the shot, he mistakenly took his Glock 17 for a BB gun and ended by shooting his friend and co-worker in the face. And now on with today's video. I have a 2A Supreme Court update for you. Last week I reported on the Supreme Court Second Amendment case. This was the first major 2A case that the Supreme Court has heard in over a decade. And with a conservative majority, we are all hoping that the case will bode well for our constitutional rights. The justices won't issue a ruling until next spring or summer. But I have information from the arguments heard last Wednesday. The original challenge was brought to the court by 2 men from New York who applied for a concealed carry permit and were denied. They argue obviously this is a clear infringement of their Second Amendment rights. Several positive quotes came out of the court last week. Why isn't it good enough to say I live in a violent area and I want to be able to defend myself? Justice Brett Kavanaugh said, hypothetically speaking, criminals can walk around New York with their illegal guns. Justice Samuel Alito said, but the ordinary, hardworking, law-abiding people can't be armed. The arguments took nearly 2 hours to wrap up, which exceeded the original 70 minutes on the court's schedule. Those were 2 really good quotes by the 2 justices. And hopefully sometime next year, they'll rule in favor of the New York State Rifle and Pistol Association. Let me know your thoughts about the story in the comment section down below. And as I mentioned at the starting of the video, if you enjoyed the video or if I gave you some information you didn't know, please like, share, and subscribe and hit those post notifications. And I will see you guys in the next video.